Next is components of the maps. All maps have four important components and they are scale, direction, signs and symbols and color. First is scale. What is a scale? We all know that maps are the reduced drawings that represent the entire world or a part of it or a small country or a continent on a small piece of paper. Fine. So in order to adjust the entire world or a country or a continent on a small piece of paper, it has to be drawn on a reduced scale. Fine. So a scale is the ratio between the actual distance on the ground and the distance shown on the map. So if you know the scale, you will be able to calculate the distance between any two places on a map. Maps can be small scale maps or large scale maps. Continents and countries are shown on a small scale maps, and cities and towns, they are basically drawn on a large scale maps. Fine. So large scale maps gives us more information as comparable to small scale maps. The second component which we are going to discuss is directions. So how many directions are there? There are basically four directions, and they are north, south, east and west. And these four main directions are called cardinal directions. I can see you here on a piece of paper. I have drawn, see. We are having north, south, east and west. They are drawn with the black marker. Fine. And these are called cardinal directions. Cardinal directions are the main directions. Then we have the intermediate directions. Which are these? These are northeast, southeast, northwest and southwest. Northeast, which is the intermediate direction, it lies between north and east. And southeast, which is again the intermediate direction, it lies between south and east. Southwest lies between west and south. And northwest lies between north and west. And all intermediate directions, they are drawn with the help of a red marker. So intermediate directions are shown with the red marker, whereas the main or the cardinal directions, they are shown with the help of a black marker. And these directions are very important when we study maps. Fine. And the third component is now signs and symbol. Now suppose if you see a symbol of a car